Hi children, welcome to Science Revision for K6. This video is to cover Unit 3, Fun on the Farm. Farm animals. Okay children, please repeat after me. This is horse, horse. This is turkey, turkey. This is duck, duck. This one, sheep, sheep. This is cow, cow. This is hen, hen. This one, goose, goose. And last one, goat, goat. Okay, I'm just going to read all the Chinese as well. 马，马，火鸡，火鸡，鸭，鸭，绵羊，绵羊，母牛，母牛，母鸡，母鸡，鹅，鹅，山羊，山羊。Okay, next is farm animals and their young. Okay, let's read the English part first. Horse, foal, hen, chick, duck, duckling, goat, kid, cow, calf, sheep, lamb. Okay, next I'm going to read the Chinese for you. 马，驹子，母鸡，小鸡，鸭，小鸭，山羊，小羊，母牛，小牛，绵羊，羔羊。Okay, next. How do animals grow? Okay, for duck, it lays egg and becomes small duck or duckling, then turn back to duck. Okay, 鸭，蛋，小鸭。Okay, for horse, they don't have eggs, okay? So it's from foal and then become horse. 驹子，马。Okay, next. Animals and their uses. Okay, some farm animals give us food. Okay, like cow, they give us milk, they give us beef and also cheese. Chicken give us the chicken meat and eggs. Some farm animals give us materials to make things, like even cow, the skin, we can make it into a jacket, a leather jacket, belt or shoes. While sheep, okay, it is wool. This wool can make into a hat, a scarf or a sweater. Okay children, let's do some exercise here. What can we get from each of these animals? Circle. So this is a chicken. What can a chicken give us? This one, eggs. Okay, next one, sheep. What can sheep give us? This one, yes, the wool. And this one, cow, can give us fresh milk. Yes, that's right. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.